Hi, I'm Katie from Saxe Coburg. Welcome to Pine View, a stunning 4-bedroom house located in a sought-after area of Lilliput in Poole. This superb residence is set over 3 floors and is a must-view property. Inspired by modern living with some of the finest fixtures and fittings, this home has been cleverly designed throughout. The kitchen benefits from having luxurious, high-spec, built-in appliances. Sought-after names such as Miele, Neff, Dietrich all feature in this impressive space. On the first floor, there are 4 double bedrooms, 3 with en-suites and a stunning family bathroom. Another feature of this fantastic property is the outstanding high-tech cinema room. As you can see, this elegant home offers everything you could wish for. It has been designed to precision. If you'd like to view this outstanding property, please call us on 01202 30 30 66.